goes on the back of the truck.
Well, let's get this steering wheel out. Actually, it's not as bad a shape as I thought it was. Now I'm looking at it a little better, but it's time to get the steering column, steering wheel, and everything out. And then we can pull this whole cab off. Booyah! Let's see what happens. All right, step one's done. We've got this off of the front face of the steering wheel. I'm also attaching everything under here, getting all these screws loose. But I am probably still going to need a steering wheel puller. But anyway, we'll get to that. But I'm going to move on with the next step and see if we can get this thing off without that puller. Ha! I found a holder for this thing. Maybe it'll stay. Probably not. But anyway, ta-da! Let's give it a shot. So next, and just so you know, I am not a full-time mechanic. I ask a lot of questions. It didn't work. So I ask a lot of questions from a lot of my friends that do know what they're doing, because I am not a professional by anyone's standard on this stuff. So if you do ask questions in the comments, I'll answer what I can. But look at that, that may work. If I don't know, I will ask a friend that does, and we'll see what we can do with that. So let's pull these. I've never pulled a steering wheel on something this old. I haven't pulled one on a 2008 Mazda Tribute that my wife used to have because of, I don't remember what I had to take it out for. Anyway, I had to take it out for some reason. And replace a few things in there. Oh yeah, the ignition switch was an issue with that. Let us see. The kids are yelling. So that's got to be the plunger for the horn to make contact. Well, how about that? Alright, let's try this next. Find the socket that'll fit it and just see what happens. Oh, the socket to get to the back of the steering wheel is 1/4 inch. Or 1/4. And this is, let's see, 19mm will fit it, but of course in 64, I'm sure they were all standards. But anyway, give it a shot. And if the video gets shaky, I'm sorry. Oh yeah. Alright. We'll come back to this here in a minute. Alright, so hopefully you can see what we're doing here. O'Reilly's did not have a steering wheel puller, so what we're going to do is put that nut back on the steering wheel, and I'm going to get the queen of the house, Miss Tiff, to help me out here. Maybe, hopefully, you can see what's happening. What I'm going to do is pull a slight pressure on that steering wheel, and she's going to tap on that with a mallet, and we'll see what happens. Alright, Tiff, let's give it a shot. Just don't hit me in the face. No, you're over here. Come around. Your job is to not hit me in the face while hitting that nut right there. Ready? Try it. Well, we gave up on pulling the steering wheel off of the steering column. Instead, opted to pull the whole thing out. So, pulled it off of the steering box. And, what you doing, dude? What you doing? What you doing? Idiot. Anyway, so that's where we're at. Let's get this thing on out of here. Looks like there's a plate. I know you can't see it. I'm sorry for the lighting. There's a plate with 4 bolts right there that's got to come out for all of the linkage that was to the transmission for the gears to actually come all the way through. So let's take them loose and we should be good. Out. Let's go driving. It's like we're gonna be a while before we get to go anywhere. Yeehaw. Alright, well, that's how you get the steering column out, and that's as far as we're getting tonight. The let me see real quick, Ted. I'll borrow that. As far as the cab goes, and a couple more wires to pull loose, a couple of hoses, and up she'll go. Gotta build a dolly next, and we'll get the cab off of here. So that's the progress for tonight.